Hey my loves, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing a quick 15-minute hairstyle, a cute little half up half down. um I got this hair from Sensationnel, and I'll be linking it down in the description box. Anyways, for this hairstyle you want to split your hair into two. You want to have the down part of your hair and the upper part of your hair. For the down part, just make sure it's as flat as possible. It doesn't have to be braided tiny like mine. So as you can see, I'm taking the biggest or the largest piece in the pack and clipping it on my hair. This will be like our foundation and our base. And you want to do it like in a U-part situation, like a V shape. So like it's kind of curved. So you'll be able to hide the tracks of your hair whilst you go up. So basically, like, do you see what I'm showing you guys? Like a V part situation. Make sure it's a V part, and yeah, you want to add the other clips that way. Keep adding the other clips and make sure you're maintaining the V part, like V slash, I don't know why I keep saying part, but like V slash U shape situation. Make sure the middle part of your hair is lower than the other sides of the hair, if that makes sense, when you'll be putting the clips on the hair. Okay, so yeah, this is me just showing you guys the V shape, and yeah, I've added more clips to my hair and you see me maintaining that V shape situation. Okay, so now when you're adding the clips to your hair, if you have like a tiny scalp like me, you notice that once you've added like three clips to your hair, the rest will not be able to fit in. So what I did was I basically took the smallest clip in that hair in the pack, because you have like two smaller ones. So the tiniest ones, take the tiniest one in the pack, and you see where I'm going to put it. So I'm going to put it like in a kind of like a diagonal like line. So I make sure that the other part is low, it entered that V, and the other part is higher, so you can see it's closed the whole like bundles or the whole track. So you just do that on both sides, and that will help you, or that will cover the tracks. And yeah, I just took the back side and kept it aside, and we're going to focus on the top part of the hair. So for the top part of the hair, I am going to slick it down again. I previously slicked my hair down, but it's not enough. It's not as thick as I want it to be for this hairstyle. So I'm just going to redo that. So I'm using the products, the Yummy wax, the Kenny's wax, and then edge, is it edge booster? No, it's not edge booster, girl. Yo, it's a wax stick, sorry, and then a hard brush. Hard brush is essential. Okay, so for the ponytail parts, like the parts you're going to stick down, right? What I do is I part my hair into tiny sections, and I add gel to it, and I brush it immediately. This just helps you mold the hair section by section, and it's just easier for you to manage your hair, especially if you have thick hair like mine. Okay, and if your hair is full, baby, you need to do this method. Okay, so yeah, I'll just leave like that's basically what I did for the whole top part of my hair. I add gel, I brush it, and I section another part. Like, I know you see these parts are so tiny. Yeah, baby, like I make it as tiny as possible so I'll be able to get into everything. Now you want to use enough products. Don't use too much where like your hair is just greasing up. I don't like that look. You would not love that look. But you want to use enough gel. Okay, don't be stingy, but don't go overboard, if that makes sense. Okay, use just enough, and just once you put the gel, brush it down. Okay, baby? Like, brush it down. So yeah, that's basically what I did for the whole hair. Now once that's done, you want to take your yummy edge control, and you want to rub it on the top part of your hair. I do not use the other gel because it leaves a white cast, and I hate it so much. So the gummy edge wax does not leave a white cast. So that's why I love that. I put it on the top part of my hair, so it just covers any white cast that the other gel wants to leave. Okay. And we're just going to tie our hair and put it in a just tie it together so we can just work on the flyaways. Now this way you can use your wax stick to just put like lay the flyaways down, but it did turn white a little bit, so I just went in with my gummy edge wax. So yeah, that's basically what I'm doing. I'm just putting the gummy edge wax on my hair and making sure there's no flyaway and it's flat as possible. Then you're going to just put your hair into a cute bun. Okay, now to put the clips in as a ponytail, it's just the way you put a normal ponytail. Okay, the difference is that you just clip it into the bun. Okay, please don't put the clip in your hair. It's actually going to drag your hair off, and you're going to lose hair. So you just want to put it on the bun. Okay, I don't know why I was so happy when I was dancing out. But yeah, as you can see, I'm adding more clips because obviously that's not enough. Like I literally, it looks like a chicken feather. But yeah, so yeah, this is basically me telling you guys, just take it and put it on the bun. Okay. You can put it the way you know the way you wrap your ponytail, you can clip it in like that, like wrapping it if you have a higher bun or a taller bun. But I do not have a higher bun or a taller bun. My bun was so tiny. So yeah, I just put it at the end and I just kept clipping it under that one that I clipped in, if that makes sense. But yeah, that's basically what I did. Now, because I do have a scanty hair and I have a small scalp, a lot of things don't enter my hair. So what I did was I took another clip, right? And you know you normally put your clip facing downwards, but instead I flipped it over and made it face upwards, right? So that way it kind of like covers the track at the same time. So yeah, I put that and I just put it around that bun again. Okay, just to make it fuller, I put it around the bun and then I'm going to put it up and you guys will see what I'm talking about. As I mean I could not fit any more hair on that bun anymore. So I just did that. I don't know why it worked, but it works, yeah. Now we're going to take a little piece and use it to wrap around the ponytail. Now I did not add products. The hair is synthetic and it's quite shiny. And I don't want it to be too shiny, especially when I'm like I wanted to go for a natural look. I want everyone to think it's coming out from my scalp. Okay, so I didn't add any product, and I just like took my time and wrapped it around my hair. Take your time with this. You don't have to add products. I didn't add any product, but I did go in with a bobby pin to hold it down because UK wind is not a joke, girl. Like one wind, that hair is flying off. One blow. Pew. So yeah, I went in with my bobby pin and I added bobby pins to it. I think I added like two or three. I'm not really sure. But yeah, that's basically what I did. Use your bobby pin to hold the hair down and that's basically it, yeah. You're done with your hair. Like it just took 15 minutes. Okay? 15 minutes. Okay. So yeah. Y'all see that? Mm-hmm. Period. I was done with my hair. You don't have to do too much. Okay. Anyways, once you're done, you want to do your edges. Yeah, I did go in with the gummy to do my edges. I love gummy wax for my edges. The other one turns white. I don't know how many times I said it. Like that thing actually pisses me off. It turns white. Why? But yeah, I don't know where I got that small brush from. Yeah, but yeah, just ignore me. Just do your edges. Yeah, once you're done with your edges, your hair is done. Like you look good. Okay. I hope you all really enjoyed this tutorial and yeah, if you like it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on your notification button because more videos will be coming. Okay, girl, I'm not playing. But anyways, this is how I'm looking. Period. Okay, guys, bye, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Mwah. Love